So I got some good news and I got some bad news. The bad news is that money is not going to rain down from the heavens, but the good news is with a proven plan, you can actually convert your spare time to cash. That proven plan is simply 3 steps or 3 foundational phases. Traffic, offer, people. This is my top strategy. A proven strategy that starts with picking a topic and then understanding that you do need a few tools and you need to take some time to understand the technology and the way these tools work. And then you need to dedicate some time to start creating consistent content. Now, going back to topic, this is where this all starts. Most people call this picking a niche, but I don't like to overcomplicate it. And this is super simple today because we have artificial intelligence. And with artificial intelligence, if you go over and utilize something like ChatGPT, you can simply start with a conversation. I want to start a YouTube channel and do affiliate marketing. There are 3 things, or these 3 things interest me: coin collecting, productivity, starting a blog. Please give me an idea or a starting point for each channel. Make all the videos congruent. I'd like to start with simple how-to videos. Also recommend an affiliate product for each niche that I could promote on my YouTube channel. So at this point, ChatGPT is doing all the work for us. We're just simply having a conversation with our AI assistant, and we are looking at thinking about spending a little bit of spare time. But I would like to caution you, and I would also like to say, don't think about this or change your mindset a little bit here on this. While you can do this in your spare time, think about it more from the time or more from the angle of, I'm going to dedicate time. The time that normally is my spare time, I'm going to dedicate that time to building a profitable online business. Of course, this can all start as a side hustle, and you can do this in your spare time and just dip your toes in the water and say, well, let me see if this is going to work or not. But you're going to find a lot more success if you go back to the plan and understand that the plan, the focus here is to focus on traffic, because building this out and generating cash or converting your spare time to cash starts with traffic. And of course, that starts with topic. We're going to go back to ChatGPT and take a look at those topics here in a second. But understanding that it's step 2, tools, tech, and time, when you give yourself or you dedicate time to this process, then you'll have time to create the consistent content, which is videos here on YouTube. And again, I'm going to keep this simple because what I'm talking about here is this is an old channel I used to own that I created utilizing this proven plan or the top strategy of traffic, offer, people. Publisher report, you can see here the times and the dates that I created the videos. And if you were to go and to look at each one of these, we're talking about July 5th, July 12th, July 26th, August 2nd. If you were to bring up the calendar and look at that, you're going to see that those dates, the 5th, the 12th, the 19th, the 26th, and the 2nd of July is 1 video a week. We're simply just talking about the time that you currently have, your spare time, or even better, shifting that mindset and saying, I'm going to take time. I'm going to dedicate a little bit of my spare time, a little bit of time that I have when I'm not doing anything else, and I'm going to utilize this proven plan, and I'm going to put it into action, and I'm going to create a traffic source, which is consistent content here on YouTube, and then get people over to an offer, then eventually add those people to an email list following this proven plan inside of the top strategy. But the concept here is you have a little bit of time, so you're going to use it wisely, and you're going to follow this simple plan, and you're simply going to create content based upon a topic that you picked or that you let the AI assist you with picking. And when we go back to ChatGPT and we continue this conversation, you can see that ChatGPT is telling us now what we already know. Starting a YouTube channel focused on a specific niche is a great way to build authority and engage with a targeted audience. Below are some ideas and summaries for each of your interests, along with an affiliate product selection for each niche. Here I came up with a coin collecting channel, the channel topic, and then 3 video ideas. Again, the second idea was productivity. The same idea, the same concept here. The channel topic, which we're going to utilize to build our authority by covering all angles or aspects of this topic, and then starting here with these 3 video ideas. Again, we go back to starting a blog, and we do the same thing. We have, or ChatGPT has picked a topic for us, and then ChatGPT also reminds us down here what we already know to be true. Remember, consistency is key in growing your YouTube channel by regularly uploading content that adds value to your audience. Now we go back and we look at these topics and we say, okay, that's great. This is something that AI came up with, ChatGPT came up with. But really, how is this really going to help me? Is this realistic? We'll open up YouTube and take each one of those video ideas and simply enter it into YouTube. How to start coin collecting, a beginner's guide. These are the things that people are searching for here. These are the topics, these are the ideas, these are things that people want to know about coin collecting here in these search results. But then just take and look at the videos, the views and the channels and the content that's been created around these ideas that you've come up with around something that you want to talk about, something that you're interested in, and then taking each one of those ideas here, we can see productivity, and then understanding that people are searching for these topics, people are creating content on these topics. So if people are creating content on these topics, and for example, getting 2.4 million views about how to build the ultimate productivity system, then you know that this is a winning topic. This is something that you're definitely going to be able to spend that spare time looking at and saying, I can create content, people are going to be interested in this content, people are going to get help from my content, and then ultimately they're going to see my affiliate links, they're going to go over and they're going to purchase the products that I'm recommending based upon the fact that I've been helping them with my content. Of course, we go back and we look at the last one, creating your first blog post, a step-by-step guide, and we see here again, we're looking at videos pushing almost 1 million views, 762,000 views, almost 200,000 views, as well as those videos were created 4 years ago. So you're looking at 4-year-old content as your competition. And of course, if you create something new and fresh with an angle that is current, then you're going to have a better chance of getting that content ranked, just because that's the way the algorithms work. But the idea and the concept here is you're taking and you're spending that time that was your spare time, and you're cashing in on it. The fact that now you're not just wasting that time, you're putting it to good use, and you have a proven strategy, a proven plan, and this all starts on day one when you decide to become an affiliate marketer. And if you'd like to see exactly how I do this, the 3-step process, traffic, offer, people, check out this video right here. I'll walk you through the entire strategy and exactly how I do it here on YouTube. Look forward to seeing that video, and I'll talk to you then. Bye.